Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Truckloads of food items from the northern parts of the country have been denied entry into Kwara State and other states of the southwest. During an investigation, it was revealed that some northern youth stationed at the location, popularly called Kava near Jeba in Kwara State, on Friday stopped many truck drivers carrying food items such as tomatoes, beans, yams, cattle, among others, from going further from Kava into Kwara or other states, as some were asked to turn back. The situation, it was gathered, saw the trucks being parked along the road, while it was reported that some of the food items are already getting spoiled. The investigation also revealed that the development was in connection with ultimatum given by the national leader of the Miyetti Allah Cattle Breeders Association to the federal government, demanding compensation for recent loss reportedly suffered by traders from the north in Shasha Market, Oyo State. However, following the report of the incident and the video clips that emanated on the social media, the Middle Belt Forum on Friday said it was shocked by the act, which it said was orchestrated by some unpatriotic elements. In a statement issued by its national president, Dr. Bogu Bitros, the forum said it was opposed to such an act, which it believes is capable of creating a rift and widening the fragility of the corporate existence of the country. According to the statement, the attention of the Middle Belt Forum has been drawn to a video clip showing the illegal blocking of food items to the south from the north at a Jeba village by some yet-to-be-identified persons. We are not only stunned by this act, which we believe is orchestrated by some unpatriotic elements, but also shocked at this despicable action. The forum wishes to categorically state that as an organization that represents ethnic nationalities in the Middle Belt region, we are irrevocably opposed to such an act, which we believe is capable of creating a rift and widening the fragility of our corporate existence. For such persons to block food items being transported to the south from the north is not only criminal, but also intended to throw the entire nation into chaos. We call on the federal government and other relevant security agencies to flush out these hooligans in order to discourage retaliation from the southern parts. Amid the ongoing banditry in various parts of the country, the deliberate blockage of food items is nothing short of waging another form of terrorism on Nigerians. We cannot, as a nation, afford to deal with these urchins and bandits with kid gloves. The federal government needs to do something drastic to send clear signals that outlaws who threaten the country would never have it easy with the government. If we must take back our nation from these demons of destruction, we must never negotiate and treat them softly.
From here now, Kara Jeba, the last village in Niger State, before you join the river Niger Bridge. They are stopping any trucks that carry food stuff from north. They are stopping them. They are turning them back. They don't allow them to go beyond this place. They are turning them. You can see all these trucks. They are carrying food stuff. You can see yam. You can see yam, tomatoes, onions, and many more. They are stopping them. They said they will turn back to the north or offload it here. This is Kara Jeba, the last village, the last town in Niger State before you enter Kwara State, before you get to River Niger. So
àbúrú kan ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ń sìn. Àwọn Fúlàní wọ́n ti ń fún àwọn Haúsá, wọ́n ti ń fún àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọn ní owó pé kí wọ́n wá sílẹ̀ Yorùbá kí wọ́n máa wá ra oúnjẹ kúrò nílẹ̀ Yorùbá lọ sílẹ̀ Haúsá. Ọkùnrin kan ló pè mí lénìí pé àwọn ọjà oko tóun máa ń ná, ó ní láwọn ọjà yìí ó lóun kàn déédéé rí i pé nǹkan sáré di ×3 iye táwọn ń tà á. Kódà títí tó fi mọ́ òbúkọ táwa ní tí Yorùbá ní tó fi mọ́ òbúkọ wa tó fi mọ́ epo ni àwọn Haúsá yìí ti ń lọ rà nísìn ní ọjà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ta ọjà ẹ ṣọ́ra o, ẹ má ta ọjà yín fún Haúsá mọ́, ẹ má tà fún Fúlàní mọ́. Oyekíye tí wọ́n bá gbé wá fún yẹn má jẹ́ kówó yẹn wọ̀ yín lójú. Èyí tí wọ́n plan láti ṣe, èyí tí wọ́n ṣe fún Biafra, tí Nàìjíríà ṣe fún Biafra nígbà Biafra war, ó ní wọ́n ń try láti ṣe fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí o. Èyí tí wọ́n ṣe fún Biafra tó fi win ní ogun Biafra ni pé wọ́n fi ebi pa Biafra, wọn ò rí oúnjẹ jẹ. Nígbà tí wọn ò rí oúnjẹ jẹ for some months, for some days, ogun ṣẹ́ o. Ẹni tẹ́ bá ń bá jagun tẹ́ bá ti febi pa tẹ̀jẹ̀ kó rọ́nà gbé oúnjẹ wọlé, ẹ máa ṣẹ́gun ẹ̀ ni. Ó ní wọ́n try láti ṣe fún wa yìí. Wọ́n ti stop oúnjẹ tí wọ́n pé kò gbọdọ̀ wọlé Yorùbá wá. Ọ̀nà tí Yorùbá wá tó fi ní oúnjẹ, wọ́n ti kó àwọn èèyàn wọn síbẹ̀. Àwọn olówó ti gbówó fún wọn pé kí wọ́n lọ máa ra oúnjẹ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọlé sílẹ̀ Haúsá. Ọmọkùnrin nígbà tóun dé àwọn ọjà tóun lóun rí bẹ́ẹ̀ níjẹrin, òun rí bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹta, òun tún rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lánàá, ló fi pè mí pé kí n pariwo síta. Ó ní kódà tó fi mọ́ òbúkọ táwọn máa ń rà bíi 1,500 3,000 tẹ́lẹ̀, ó ló ti di 30-something thousand. Ó lóun wá bí wọ́n pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀, ọ̀nà sọ pé Fúlàní ló wá kó, àwọn Haúsá ló wá kó lọ́dọ̀ àwọn. Èyí tí wọ́n tún ṣe rèé o, ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ń tewédú táwúsá lòun fẹ́ kó lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ má ta fún un. Wọ́n ti ń dọ́gbọ́n ra oúnjẹ wa lọ sílẹ̀ Haúsá débi wípé ńgbà tá bá ta gbogbo oúnjẹ wa tán ní outrageous price, wọ́n kú ti mọ̀ pàgbẹ́ owó ni wọ́n wá. Nígbà tí wọ́n bá ta oúnjẹ ìfún wọn lówó ńlá tán, oúnjẹ atán nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ò ní róúnjẹ jẹ, wọ́n wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ogun pẹ̀lú Yorùbá. Géèmù ni wọ́n ń play o, well written script ò ní wọ́n ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a ṣọ́ra gbogbo ẹ̀yin àgbẹ̀ tẹ́ ń ta oúnjẹ yín, tẹ́ ń ta ọjà. Ẹ ṣọ́ra ẹ má ta oúnjẹ yín ní owó gegere fáwọn Fúlàní àbáwúsá. Tí wọ́n bá dé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ tajà yín fún wọn. Àwọn ò gbà kí oúnjẹ tí wọ́n wọ bí. Ní Jẹ́bà, ẹnìkan pè mí Jẹ́bà pé wọ́n ń gbà kí mọ́tò tó kó oúnjẹ tiwa kó wọ ìlú tí wọ́n lọ, kó lọ tó oúnjẹ sọ́hùn, ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò gbà kí mọ́tò kó oúnjẹ tí wọ́n wá síbí. Màá fi fídíò méjèèjì hàn wá, ibi tí wọ́n ti gbé Sunday Igboho máa fi hàn wá sìn. Ọlọ́run ṣeun wọn ò rí gbé o, Federal Government Nàìjíríà ò rí gbé, Ọlọ́run ṣeun pé wọn ò rí gbé. Mo fẹ́ fi hàn wá nísìn kí gbogbo wa fojú wa rí attempt Federal Government láti gbé Sunday Igboho. Ìbànújẹ́ ńlá leléyìí jẹ́. Èmi ò mọ orú nǹkan táwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ń gbà lérò, àtàwọn governors wa náà tí wọ́n ń support wọn, ṣé wọ́n ti rójú ìjà ńlá ṣùgbọ́n lọ́n bá wọn ṣe pé wọn ò rí gbé o, torí ká náà rí gbé ni ogun gidi ni wọ́n